Nice.
Wow.
Nice sail jumping there. Woohoo! You know, a little show left in them. You that one, Brian? Oh, that's a big sailfish. Sail right there, beautiful sailfish, big boy. Coming in here for the landing, keep reeling down a little bit. Juice here. I'm gonna let go if he goes on a run, okay? Woo! You get him lassoed. He's gonna go anywhere. Gonna go anywhere. See all that? I got lassoed. Get him hooked right in the back, just in the bill. Really hooked. Look at that, right off. Just like that. Look at that beautiful sailfish. Sailfish season here. Good job there, Mike. Sweet. We're on a sailfish. We got Gabriel hooked up to a sail. Did you tighten it all through the fight? I think you're good right now. He's still very fresh still. Keep reeling. No slack, no slack, no slack. Just let him turn you. That's how you flip. Yeah, just turn that way. You're good. He's still fresh, okay? He's not ready to be grabbed yet. Good. Yeah, you lead it. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna come in and try to grab him. He's fresh. I don't want to get him too close. Where he freaks out and we lose him there. I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you weren't done. Don't go over your head. Don't go over your head. Don't go over your head. Yeah, I knew he wasn't done yet. I knew he wasn't done yet. Got him, baby! Yeah! Let's go. Oh, stop it. All right. Beautiful sail for Gabriel.
There we go, baby.
Long time coming, but we got one here. Sweet work.